Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto recording on Android phone, meaning that when you are receiving a call, you are giving out a call, your phone will just start recording it automatically. So guys, to just do that is very simple. All you need to do is to open up your phone app on your Android phone. Just come to this your phone icon and click on it. From there guys, see this setting icon, click on it. You see these features under the settings icon. You have flash for calls, then you have auto calls recording. Then if you toggle on this button, it will change to white and green. That means you've enabled or you've turned it on. Whenever you are giving out a call or you are receiving a call, that means that conversation will be automatically recorded. Now let me give you an example. Assuming I've turned it on now, then I want to call this number on this particular phone. Then let me just call the number here. You can see it. So immediately I pick up the number like the calls like this. You can see the auto call recording starts immediately I pick up the call. So that means your calls will be automatically recorded. That is how to enable call recording on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.